The topic today is about our responses and our reactions. How do we respond to an event and how do we react to an event? So when you respond, that means you are in control of the situation. But when you react, that means you are not in control of the situation. These two factors are very, very important because they control the way we can do our things and how we relate to other people and how we achieve our dream or how we do everything we do. In fact, it is all about attitude. So it is very, very important you understand how your life could be run by another person without you knowing, based on the way you react or you respond. Like I said, when you react, you are not in control. But when you respond, that means you are in control. Look at this hot water now. I use this hot water to illustrate what I'm saying now. You see, when you react, that means you are agitated. That means you've literally become the hot water. Now, if you are in this situation, you are disoriented. There's nothing you can do. You are not acting on your own. You are acting based on the reaction of what you had from somebody or from a situation. And that will make you to lose focus. And once you lose focus, you cannot do what you intended to do. Apart from that, it makes you very angry. You see, when you are angry, you are carrying the fault of another person inside you. When you are not happy, you cannot do anything. So when you are angry, you are literally carrying it inside your body. And what will it attract? It will attract the negative things. It will attract bad things. And sometimes you see results of things that you never expected coming down your end. And you start to ask why. It's because you are, housing something like acid, something like anger inside you. And this will come and be corroding you. And in the process, you attract all the negative things like somebody being jealous, somebody being unsatisfied with what he has and being unsettled all the time. And now, when you are in this mood, let's say you have a purpose. Because you are not settled, you are agitated, you cannot follow that your focus. Now, somebody who understands you, who understands the game, will be running you and you wouldn't know. Somebody will agitate you and he knows that that is the way you're going to react. And then you react, boom. And when you react, boom, you disorganize, you splash everything you have. And then it might lead you to start afresh. You might be organized, but once you are reacting to an event or allowing yourself to react, you are losing the plot. You are losing the gas. You are losing the energy. You can't be focused and you cannot achieve your dream. You'll be distracted. But when you respond, that means you are absolutely in control of the situation. A normal person is supposed to respond regardless of what is happening around. Because some of the things that happen around are meant to agitate you. They are meant to move you from the focus. They are meant to distract you. And then how do you allow this kind of thing to happen? How do you allow another person to run your life for you? How do you put your destiny in the hand of a person because of the way you react? Let's say you start a business. Your colleague or your friend or your partner gets agitated or makes you to feel angry. All of a sudden, boom, you destroy all you've built for 5 years, 10 years. Just because in a split second, because you are allowing another person to run your life. You shouldn't allow any person to write your script, to conduct it, and to run it for you. You are the one that you dictate. So most times in our life, we allow anger, hatred, and house it inside us. And once you house it inside you, you are no longer the one that is control of your life. It is the other person that is agitating you or the circumstance that is now moving you from A to B, from B to C to D, everywhere. You'll be on teetering on the surface. You wouldn't know what is happening to you, and that is how more than 90% of people do. That is what they respond to. That is what they see in their life, because they are agitated, they are disoriented. Look at, if you have anger, there's nothing you can do. You are reacting based on anger. You are reacting based on hatred. You are reacting based on, you are being envious. And then that will distract you. You can never have a direct focus. You can never have a sense of direction. You can't follow the map. You can't follow what you have thought in your mind to do. You'll be responding to circumstance. And once you are reacting to circumstances, you are not in control of yourself. What is the evidence of somebody who is not in control of themselves? Is because of the way they react. If they respond, they are in control. But if they react, they are out of control and they are not focused. And if you have a vision, you can't actualize it. So how are you going to run your life on the whim of everything? You know how many things that happens in this world, and you are reacting to almost all of them. You'll be a crazy man. And that is why most people don't get results, because they're always reacting to circumstance. So you are not supposed to be reacting. You are supposed to be responding. The right thing is to respond to situation and respond to it effectively. Be in control of the situation. Don't allow anybody to run your life. Run it yourself. Otherwise, your destiny is in the hand of the person who is agitating you, or the situation that is agitating you. Thank you.